Hi, today we are going to see what is Euler's theorem on homogeneous function. Let me say this example and go to definition of homogeneous function. Here I consider a function u equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. That is, u is a function in terms of x, y and z. Here I do replace x with tx, y with ty, then z can be replaced by tz. Then let I keep the resulting equation is u of tx comma ty comma tz. Then what I have to do, x can be replaced by tx. So here x I replace it with tx, then it becomes tx whole cube. Then y with ty, it becomes ty whole cube. Then z with tz, it becomes tz whole cube. Then here it becomes t cube x cube plus t cube y cube plus t cube z cube. Then I take t cube as common. Then I will get t cube into x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This one t cube into this one is nothing but u. This can be written as t cube into u. See, then this function is a homogeneous function having order n is nothing but order having order n equal to 3. Now we going to definition. If u of a, I consider u as u function having x, y, z terms, then I used to replace x with tx, then y replaced with ty, then z replaced by tz. Then the resulting one will be u of tx comma ty comma tz. Then if u of tx comma ty comma tz equal to in, then after simplifying, if I able to get tn into u of x comma y comma z, which is nothing but u, then it is said to be, then the u function, given function u is said to be homogeneous function with degree n. Okay, now we are going to see what is Euler theorem. If a function is homogeneous with degree n, then the function must be satisfy this condition: x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z equal to n into u. If you consider this one, u equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it is a homogeneous function having degree n equal to 3. Now just simply replace here n equal to 3. The answer will be the result. Then x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou x equal to, the answer must be equal to 3 into u. That's all. Thank you for watching.